All right, so I'm standing here in our unfinished hardwood section because I want to tell you about our sanding and staining hardwood services. You know, we can offer those on our in-stock unfinished hardwood, or if you have existing hardwood, and this is where you're going to save some huge money. If you have existing hardwood, you want to give a nice retouch, we can refinish those, sand them and stain them, match your current color, or give you something, a whole fresh new look for your whole space. But then if you do the refinishing option with your existing hardwood, you're not going to be paying for the materials or the labor on the installation. You're just going to be paying for the sanding, staining, and the stain itself. And you're going to get a really cool color. We got so many to choose from. We could match. But if you only have a specific spot on your floor that needs a touch up, you know, you got some damage or maybe a little water, something like that, and you need to just repair a few planks, we can also do that and get that color matched perfectly to your existing floors so it looks seamless. I'm going to attach some pictures of our work later on in this video because we've got some really talented sanding and staining experts when it comes to refinishing hardwood. But yeah, I'm gonna show you some of these unfinished options that you can either pick these out in our store. We can bring them to you, give you a free estimate on site. We have so many 5-star reviews. We have over 700 5-star reviews here at Joe Flooring because we do such amazing work and we have the best prices in all of Chicagoland, which is why people drive from out of state to get access to our deals that we have in our warehouse. But enough rambling. I'm going to show you some of these options, and then I'm going to show you some really cool, you know, previous jobs that we've worked on when it comes to sanding and staining and refinishing hardwood. Yeah, so in our unfinished hardwood section, we've got we got 4 main options. Not going to undersell you on that. Starting out with our cabin grade, unfinished, 99 cents a square foot on these. A really great deal. It's more of the rustic look. We've got 2 1/4 and 3 1/4. But you want something, you know, a little bit more refined, less knots. We've got some really great Select and Better 3 1/4 for $2.99 a square foot. And while, you know, the price point, you know, might be a little higher than the other 2 that we saw, you know, coming in at $2.99, you're still getting an amazing deal compared to our big box store competitors. As you can see right there from that listing clipping that we have printed out. But we've also got the 2 1/4, and we can get this pretty regularly, so we'll keep this stocked year round without a problem. We got more coming in all the time. But now we're going to show you some cool sanding and staining jobs that we've done recently. All right, so as promised, we've got some videos and pictures of some of our recent work, and this one in particular is our unfinished Select and Better 2 1/4 red oak with a really nice stain on it. Turned out awesome. And here we got another really cool one. Look at the shine on this natural oak, this brand new refinish. And as you can see on this one, we also do stairs as well. And they can be a little tricky for some people, but like I said before, we have some really talented sanding and staining, refinishing experts. We have seen it all when it comes to hardwood refinishing. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about, you know, the process, and, you know, if you're interested in possibly refinishing your hardwood floors, give us a call, send us a message. We'd be happy to take a look at your project and explain in detail what we can do for you. We look forward to hearing from you.